No, but just want to know where you dig.
I dig one city favor you.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Yes, people, there's babes getting back to the car. Another prayers. We're in a Rockabessa, babe, people. In St. Mary.
Hey, hi people. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. It's your girl Diza.
Another prayers.
Yes, so people,
Give thanks to life.
yeah, today we are on the road and we are going to Portland. I just want to show you something, guys. Outlaw is no longer an outlaw. A lot of people in the comments were saying, Outlaw, where's your seatbelt? Put on your seatbelt. So he's complying with the rules and regulations. Seatbelt is on.
That be said.
Yeah, and you know, guys, you know me, once I'm on the road I have to get a patty, right? So patty in hand, so I'm good. So guys, just stick with us. We're going to take you on the road with us today, see what we can find. All right people, a little more.
Long life and happy living. Traditional, you know, long that today. Courthouse. One right there. Courthouse, right?
So what's that thing then? What was the other thing that looked traditional?
St. Mary Banana Chips Factory. That's
Guys,
right
yeah, so everybody that likes the banana chips, St. Mary's banana chips, they're my favorite ones. This is the factory. This is where they are produced in St. Mary. St. Mary's known for its bananas, isn't it?
Yeah.
So guys, we are now in Onoto Bay. It looks like there's a funeral.
Yeah.
Funeral in this last part.
Yeah.
Oh look, funeral. Look at this grave. Look at that grave. Look at
the old time house, what kind of house? You know how long the house is? That house, you know, all that house, you know, all that house is. You know, that's a cotton, you know?
Is it cotton? Even better.
Cotton.
Look, people.
Pure cotton. Pure cotton, straight ahead.
People, we just passed this and it's cotton. I'm not sure how well you can see it.
Straight cotton.
That all in this field here is cotton.
Straight cotton.
Cotton.
Straight cotton that.
You can see, you can just about see the part, is it the parts of the
Yeah, the body, yeah.
white tip.
Them white up
You
there.
can zoom in.
Cotton them.
All cotton, and it's a full field of cotton.
Yeah. Yeah. It is about 2 acres cotton that.
Yeah, amazing.
So, protect the banana now from come to a certain perfection.
What is that blue thing on
The
it?
plastic, yeah, they protect the banana now from bird eating it or whatever thing and spoil it.
Okay.
Protect it now, and so when them take off that, the banana come right. Yeah, everything right when them take off that.
Okay.
Yeah, man, the thing that man.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Famous place where you tap and get the really good thing where you want. Oi! Zoom forward. See them people. Famous little spot that. Right as so. Most people stop right as and get them fruits, them roots, and all these things. Yes. Yeah. No.
The Port Antonio people.
Yeah. Yes, people. This is Port Antonio. We're going through Port Antonio. Entering the town. We're going through
Nice.
the town.
Oh, look here. Port Antonio. So
Yeah.
that's
See
a
that?
nice.
There we go.
Come on, babe.
Port Antonio.
It's nice.
Nanny roast breadfruit there. That's all.
Yeah, I've seen it already. I've got it.
Nanny roast breadfruit. Brother, I carry me and sheep on the raft there. See that? That's me and Deezer. That's the Outland Deezer and the wall there. Yeah. Yeah, that's Portland Cricket Association. Folly Oval people. The first time I come to this place is when I was in a sound clash. Strike Force based at this year and Strike Force based at this year and Inner City. We play on this place, on this oval. That's the first time I come to this place. Folly Grounds. Yes, that's in Portland.
Okay, guys. So at this point, the sound went. But we finally reached Boston Jerk Center after a few hours drive. So there you can see us pulling up to Boston Jerk. This was my first time coming to Boston Jerk, so I was excited about this. So there you can see some of the jerk places. There's INR Boston Jerk Center.
Real Boston.
Yeah. Guys, we had to capture this. Look at this old car, but there were kids playing in the car. How cute is this? Had to get this. Can you see them? They're having fun in that battered down car.
Yes. Original jerk man, see him there? I tell you the whole story, everything him have and all these things. Him have jerk fish around there and him have jerk chicken around there, him have jerk this and him have jerk that, him have jerk conch. Yeah, and him have jerk lobster. He might tell me everything we have right this right now. Yeah, the man that put the thing together. Real man, see him there? Everything we must say, that him say. That me say.
Yeah.
Work. Never drop it. Wow. See me now? That's something there. See that something there, peeps? Yeah, meditation, good. Nice meditation, that's something there. Real top thing that, you know. Yeah, if you see it, I know, man. I don't have to go no further with that something there. Yeah. That's something there now. See that? What up, baby?
Pina colada. Guys, this is one of my favorite drinks, pina colada. And this guy here, Smoothie, yeah. He does one of the best pina coladas I've tasted. So guys, if you are in Boston Jerk Center, go and check him out. Smoothie. Yeah. Bad pina colada. Bye, babes. What did he fix for you? What's this? What's this called?
Put it back.
Okay. You soon find out about the put it back.
Put it back. Yeah, have that something in everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, from babes around, we have to put it back. So we just grab one of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
something
guys. So here we're ready. Ready? Oh, please.
That's how she going, man. Go on, man.
So what's this?
Lobster on the grill. Yeah. Fish on the grill. And conch on the grill. Three different things right there, so. Shot like bullet. See there? And me if you tell you that's something there.
So yes, guys, here we're ready for our food now. We just ordered jerk chicken.
Yeah, we got so long time.
Yeah. But I was ready to eat.
Pina colada.
Yes.
Yeah, that's her flavor.
This is jerk chicken
Boston.
from Boston. Well, we're in Boston, so that goes. And then we had what's this? The Brazilian.
Roast potato, roast sweet potato.
And we got festival coming as well. Yeah.
Put it back.
Put it back. What are you putting back?
A lot of what's gone.
What's gone?
Such things.
Like what?
Such things.
Anyway, people, this drink is called Put It Back. I don't know what he's putting back, but he's putting back something. Okay, this is mine. You would have seen me this pina colada.
You live with a real woman, you need to put it back.
Sorry, say that again.
When you live with a real woman, you need to put it back.
Okay.
But it took a lot.
Yeah. You cool? The festival? I don't usually like festival, but these hot and soft and nice. so good. These are the truth. People, we just found this little place. We're still in Port Antonio. Let me just show you around. There's a little place you can come and park and sit down at the bar there. But this is the best bit. Right, and this is. So we're sitting under this little tree thing. That's the Mr. Man there. We can see the beautiful views. Yeah. It's so nice. Yeah. Trees. Yeah. Look at this.
Caribbean Sea, White Sea, looking across the port at the town area. Port right around this area, that's where we're coming from. You can see right there and see right around.
Just so nice and relaxing.
Right around.
Just a little chill out spot. People, so we're here just chilling in Port Antonio. We've just come from Boston Jerk. Guys, sorry about the sound. We didn't realize that the sound was off, but here we are. Look at this, guys. How nice is this?
Beautiful.
So we just stopped at a little bar.
Full of vibe.
Outlaw's having a Magnum.
And a chill pill.
A chill pill. I'm having a rum cream.
Ray.
And nephew. Yeah. So it's just a chill day today in Portland. I've been wanting to come to Portland for the longest time, but we realised we definitely have to come and do a weekend. You can't do Portland in a day.
No.
So we have to come back, do a weekend, do the Blue Lagoon, do the Somerset Pools, do what else is there? The Rio Grande rafting on the Rio Grande. Yeah. And there's some really nice villas and some nice guest houses up here.
Very nice island places.
We have to do, is it Pelican Bar and Monkey Island, a whole load of stuff
nice.
up here too.
Very beautiful island places.
Yes, yeah.
We need more time to do all these things.
Yeah, if you want a nice hideaway, quiet place to come, Portland is definitely a recommendation, and it's cool up here as well. But
the place is green.
Yeah, very green.
It's not dry like Kingston.
Yeah, hot and dry like Kingston, definitely not.
Green.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see prosperity in Portland.
It's so nice, guys. I love it here in Portland. I love it. Let's just show you that my view again. I know it's a bit dark there, but yeah. I love, this is my second time in Portland, but I love it here. I love it here, yeah. If I get rich, then I think I'm going to come and build a nice house in Portland. And
all the riches is in the pipeline. So, everything takes time.
God willing.
Holy faith, yo. Holy faith.
Alright, people, check back with you soon. Later.
Give thanks to life. Blessed man.
Yes, blessed.
You see your dig, man. I wonder where you dig. You like one helicopter you make?
Yes, ma'am. Where you want? Yeah, video. Where you want? Tell me what you want.
No, me see you dig.
Yes, but tell me what you want and I give you everything.
No, but just want to know where you dig.
I dig one city for you by you.
Pretty bad, man. What I look like now? Look like, but you look good then.
Yes, yeah, man. I look good like you.
It have to look good,
Tell me what
man.
you do, man. Are you passing on video? Otherwise.
No, man. I just park my pass and see you do things. I mean, to me see it.
Turn over this.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Yeah?
Me accept it, you know what I'm saying?
What is it?
You have to follow that.
No, man. I still park my pass and I catch what you do. Yeah, man, I do that, man, but not that me do. No, man, I know that me do. I know people see us, I say, the big people would have see a chop it every day. And I love to know what you do. Man, you look like me. Nah, man. Ah, giraffe, you know.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Giraffe.
Yeah.
Blessings, man. Man, I'm praying.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks to life.
Yeah, watch out for it.
Well,
yeah.
you can't look, man. You see it too. Blessed. have enough of that. Coronation break to people. Portland, coronation break to.
You pass the bread, man, because the man that was out of that.
Sir, you have to go your phone to that, but that's it in your picture.
2 pound, order please.
No, nobody take the picture.
Without asking that disrespectful.
Alright, take up that money and give me.
We don't take a picture.
Or,
No, take a picture of them. Brother and bread. Brother and bread, I'm blog me too. Them do that.
What? Did he crash in there?
You see, he parked never under the police car parked never under. See there?
stop in the corner, yeah?
Get it?
Yeah. Why is it in
You
there
want to
like
stop on
that?
it?
Not necessarily, but why is it in there like that? So guys, we're back home from Portland. We enjoyed our drive. It was just a short visit to Portland, just for the day, just to see, you know, what's on offer. But we definitely agree that we need to go back for a weekend.
Yes, we do.
Yeah, just to experience a bit more and just to do all the things that Portland has to offer. Yeah, but it was nice just to take a drive into a different parish and just to experience.
Beautiful,
you know,
beautiful.
different things.
Nice to get away. Cool.
Yeah.
You know, as always, Portland is always cool.
Yeah.
Green and fresh. That's
Yeah.
Portland.
Yeah. So guys, we hope you've enjoyed this video. The next time we go to Portland, we'll definitely be taking you with us. But we hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, that me say.
Manners and prayers.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.